Hey guys, this is my first time at Snow Summit. I end up paying $51. This is all day ride. You can go up and down whenever you wanted to. So this is the chair lift. It will take you all the way to the top. That's the drop off point, and then you're gonna go downhill from there. So this is what it looks like, and then we're gonna look at the board. So let's hold it up right here. This is the board. Those are the trails that open right now. So green for the beginner like me. So we can hit the junior pump track. Going green, small wonder. For the intermediate rider, you can go to Turtle Trail and Blue Steel. If you are more advanced rider, okay, you can go to Party Wave, Westridge, Miracle Mile. If you are expert, you can go to 10 Ply. Alright, let me hold it up right here so you can see it closer. So, let's go hit it right now. Going green, guys. So if you're intermediate rider, this is a good place to warm up. It'll get your blood flowing. You get your arms, stretched out, legs warmed up. So just watch out for the slow riders. You know what I mean? Just tell them, bike, whatever you want to call it. Make sure let them know that you are there. And if you are a beginner, this is the place. No, I don't see no futures up in here, so it's pretty much just like fast and flowy. So this is so friendly. You can cut it into like pieces, or you can ride it all the way, full pull, all the way down. I don't see no chunks. I don't see no drops. I don't see no jumps. It is just like a cross-country trail. Okay, for beginners, don't hesitate to go green. So we're gonna stop right here. These are all the hubs. Okay, these were all split up. Make sure to go on green side. All the hubs. So Parlet going green, and then Blue Steel, Party Wave. So we're gonna go green since we're beginner.
There you go, look, not at the rocks, look where you want to go. Way out front. Does that make sense to you?
If I were going, I'm going.
Okay.
Berms. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Enjoy your ride. Hey, how you doing?